desire to be great. Yesterday is yesterday, today is a new day. So if each one can teach one, we can all make a way. Elevate, elevate, elevate and learn. Elevate, elevate, elevate with Vern.
Heighten, rise, hoist, promote, upgrade. Elevate, lift, transcend, uplift, jump, elevate, raise, glorify, pedestal, honor. Elevate, 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 elevate with Vern.
Woo, welcome in. We're getting ready to open up all of these packages. Another 6. Stay tuned to see what I have inside. Some of it I don't remember. Oh well. Love and light. Woo! Welcome in. We are here with Elevate with Burn Me. Today has been a long day. I mean, it has been, the weather has been crazy, but I made some great connections. I've done a lot of things today, and the night's not even over. So, I'm making this video to stay up because I have something else to do in a little while. So, listen, it's been a long day, and I'm thankful to God for it. So, we're going to be opening up 6 amazing packages. Some of it I don't remember what's in these, so don't touch your girl, okay? So, let's get started. We're going to start with this one first. And this one is from, let's see, Lady Holiday Jewelry. And this package is from January 31st. I'm getting there, y'all. I'm getting there. I don't remember what I ordered. But let's see. I'm taking it out of the package now. Yeah, so Lady Holiday Jewels, you can find her on Instagram. She has some great items. As you guys know, the little L that I wear and these earrings are actually from her. So let's see what I got, because I literally have no idea what I ordered from you, sis. But we're going to see. Oh, okay. Are these earrings? I think they're earrings. I think they're larger hoop earrings. They are. Why am I always dropping something, y'all? They are larger hoop earrings, and I think I actually... I think the inside actually came out. I think that's what fell. I think it's this here. Oh, goodness gracious, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, okay. That's how it hooks on there. That's how it does. So I think I dropped a piece of this on there. But that's okay. I will get it. So this is from Lady Holiday Jewels. Again, I will leave her information. Y'all go and look and see what you can find from her. She got some great stuff. Stay tuned. Okay, this item is from my girl, Steph, of Vision Pop Design. And this package was November of 2023. So let's see what we have in here. Make sure you are following Steph. She also has some beautiful, great items that she sells. And no, I don't remember what this is, but let's see. It looks like a necklace. Hold on, y'all. I think it's a necklace. Steph, I'm going to have to call you, girl. It's green. So I think it is a necklace, if I'm correct. I think it's a necklace, y'all. If not, I'm going to wear it as a necklace. I can't remember. I told y'all, I don't remember what it was. But Steph, I'm going to have to call you and ask you, sissy, was this a necklace? Let me know, girl. All right, y'all. Stay tuned for the next one. And, of course, you know it's in green. So, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, this item here is for me because I am a content creator. This is a 6-inch studio light from Traxx, Traxx. It's a ring light tripod, no filter needed. Tutorials and selfies, videos, vlogs, phone mount tripod, 6-inch diameter. So let's see. And it includes a 6-inch ring light, a collapsible tripod, a universal phone gooseneck mount, and a USB cable. Okay, it says no filter needed. Let's see. Okay, it looks smaller than what I thought, but hey. Okay, here's the USB cord. So this is the light. As you guys know, I do have enough light, but I wanted a ring light. So let's see. It says 6-inch ring light, collapsible tripod. It's inside. Okay, so that's one of the sticks. Here is, it comes with instructions. A lot of instructions. This is for the ring light, and it shows you how to do that with the gooseneck. And then it's another instructions. Read carefully before putting together. So this is the tripod, if you guys can see. And this is the gooseneck. And it goes on there and you screw it on. But looking at it from here, okay, so that's the stand. If you guys can see me show it that way. That's the stand. This is where the light go, and this is where the gooseneck go where you can put your phone in. Okay, so if I lose my tripod that I have it on, which I'm going to show you about the tripod that I have it on now in another video, that one cost me quite a bit of money, y'all. This one didn't cost me that much, but I do like that it comes with all of this. I don't know where I got this from. I don't even know how I came about getting this, but I got it. So I will be letting you know how it works. But like right now, I just have a regular standard tripod, which is really, really nice. And I paid a pretty penny for it. And this one, I know I didn't pay that much for it, but I'm actually liking the light, and I don't want to put this in here and break it because the stand is right there. Make sure I'm careful with that light. So yeah, that's that one. Go and get it. This next item is from 46 and 5. Go and check my girl out. She has her card, Tanisha. Go and check her out. Go and check her out. Yes, I love it. I love it. Let's see what we got. Oh, I don't know. Why would these earrings be in green? You guys tell me. Look how beautiful. Ooh, sissy. This package. Oh, I'm dropping everything out, y'all. This package is from November of 2023. Okay, we got quite a few things in here. Let me put that there. We have... Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, they're so soft. Look at those, y'all. Those are pretty. So we got the green and we got these. Hold on, we got a couple more in there. Oh, look. How cute. Oh my goodness, child. I forgot I ordered all of these. Bam! Ba-bam! Ba-bam! Look at the front and look at the back. And these are kind of like a glass a little bit. 46 and 5. Okay, I think I had them upside down. So let me show you that way. But they do flip. They have some on the other side. Oh, cute, cute, cute. We got one more pair. And I don't know why. These would be in green too. I don't know. Bam! Look at those! Ah! Here's her code. It says, hello, beautiful. Let me show y'all that. Y'all can take your screenshot. Go check her out. Tell her Vern sent you. Oh my goodness, I didn't even see this on the front. They're actually 2 pair. Look at the little stars at the top. Let me check the other ones. Okay, no, the other ones don't have it. But look at these. They got the little star earrings at the top. So it's actually 2 pair on here. Oh, these are cute. Oh, let me turn. Oh, these are the little hats. That's what it was. Look at the little hat, y'all. Little beanie hat. Check out my girl, 46 and 5. Go and check her out. You can find her on Instagram. Again, I'll be leaving all her information. Y'all know I'm loving my earrings, right? The green. The green, okay? It's the green for me. It's the green for me. Hold on. Hey, we are back. This package is from Why Loves to Motivate. You can find her on Instagram. And this package is February of 2024. So, told y'all I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Okay. Okay. I see green. I don't know why it's green. All this stuff is always in green. I don't know what's wrong with y'all people. Oh, why am I always dropping stuff? Don't talk about me, Bella. Somebody, you always dropping something. Green earrings. Look how beautiful. They look like they have Paris on them. Let me hold them up. A little hat or something. It looks like Paris. Looks like Paris, but I'm going to say it's Paris. Okay? All right, hold on. Let me get this together. I think it's 2 different necklaces. It is. We got this one. Ooh, look how pretty. Okay, we got that one. Oh, we got 3. Oops. Thought it was 2. It's 3. Number 2. Cute. Cute. That's 2. And then this is number 3. This is the one that was tangled up. Look at that. Look how that is. I love that. That is so pretty. Look at the clasp. Look how pretty that is, y'all. So we got 3 necklaces and a pair of earrings. And that is from Why Loves to Motivate. And you can find her again on Instagram. And I'll be leaving her information here. I love it. I don't know why they're in green, but thank you. We'll be right back. Okay, we are back. And this is the last one. And this package was November of 2023. I think I know what it is, but I'm not quite sure. I think it is what I think it is. This is... Oh my God! Oh! I was not expecting this. First of all, let me just say, this person here is absolutely freaking amazing. I've been following her since the end of 2014. I became officially in her group on Facebook in 2015. And how I remember is because I started a new job January of 2015. And I started being with her like in November of 2014. And I've been with her since. And I want to give a big, huge shout out because not only has she helped me so much in my financial area in my life, but she has helped me to understand credit so well. I already knew about some things about credit because of my financial background, but once I started following her and listening to her and what she was saying, she is absolutely freaking amazing. And I want everyone in here to first go follow her and second to tag her in this video, because when I tell you this lady has literally changed my life, no lie, financially, and she can change yours too if you just listen to what she says and follow her. Now, I want you to use your own judgment, but as for me, she literally changed my life, helped me to understand credit and finance and all that, to where I am now, like, so thankful to her, because a lot of things that I do, you know, I do because of what she had gave me the knowledge of. So first, I did not know I was going to get this. This says, thebudgetnista.com, need love like want. Need love like a want. And I have the infamous green bracelet. I did not know I was going to get, I know it. When I tell y'all, I did not know this was going to be in here. I had no clue. But please, 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 y'all go follow her and go get her book. It's Tiffany Aliche, The Budgetnista. Thank you, Tiffany. I love you, sister, and keep up the good work. I admire you. You are definitely a staple in my life. And this book, I can't wait to read from beginning to end. It is called the New York Times bestseller author, Tiffany Aliche, The Budgetnista, Get Good with Money Workbook, Made Whole, The Practical Guide to Reaching Your Financial Goals. Now, let me tell you, it says a masterclass in making your money work for you. So true. Tiffany Aliche, a.k.a. The Budgetnista. Please go and get this book, y'all. I'm telling you. Oh, she signed it! I do remember her saying that these were going to be signed copies. Tiffany. Oh my God. I'm definitely going to have to use this book in one of my master classes, but let me just tell you, go and follow her. She has a Facebook group that you guys can get into. Like I said, I've been with her since the end of 2014, the beginning of 2015 official. I absolutely adore her, adore her. Don't take my word for it. Go check it out for yourself and follow her. And baby, I got my green bracelet, Tiffany. Like, yo, like when I tell you that this little rubber bracelet may not mean nothing to you, those of who are watching it, but to me, it really means, I can't put into words, it really means a lot to me. Like, y'all don't understand. This lady here, please go read up on her story and listen to how she was a teacher and how she lost and how she got back, and just go listen to her journey. We all have a story, right? But her journey from where she was to where she is, like really, please go get this book. Woo! We are back. So thank you all for watching this video. I opened up 6 amazing items. I still got quite a bit more to go. I'll probably try to give you a screenshot in here to see. Don't judge me. But anywho, I'm getting there slowly but surely. Thank you. Go check out all of the awesome people of the gifts that I purchased or that was sent to me or that was given to me. Please go and check them out. They are absolutely amazing. I love y'all. Be kind to one another. Never stop dreaming and don't give up, y'all. No quitting. Okay? Keep on going. You got this. And go out there and spread love and spread light. Bye!
Elevate with fire. Heighten, rise, hoist, promote, upgrade. Elevate, lift, transcend, uplift, jump, elevate, raise, glorify, pedestal, honor, elevate.
We gon' elevate and motivate, inspire to be great. Yesterday is yesterday, today is a new day. So if each one can teach one, we can all make a way. Elevate, elevate, elevate and learn. Elevate, elevate, elevate with Vern.